Hello everyone, welcome to Nepal online school. यो भिडियोमा हामी CMAT एक्जाम प्रिपरेसनको इडियोमेटिक एक्सप्रेसन्स पढ्न जाँदैछौँ। हाम्रो थिम रहेको छ ह्याप्पिनेस एन्ड स्याडनेस, ह्याप्पी एन्ड स्याड इडियम्स हामी हेर्छौँ यो भिडियोमा है त। ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट अफ विथ ह्याप्पी। सो ह्याप्पीबाट सुरु गरौँ न हैन। ओके, सो हाउ आर यु गाइज फिलिङ टुडे? So I hope you are in a good mood, right? So let's see some idioms that show we are happy. So first one is on cloud nine. On cloud nine. So what does it mean by on cloud nine? On cloud nine means extremely happy. Extremely happy. Extremely happy. So एउटा example. She has been on cloud nine since she found out she is pregnant. उनी प्रेग्नेन्ट भएको खुसी खबर सुनेर चाहिँ उनी एकदमै खुसी छिन्। She has been on cloud nine भनेर भन्न सक्यो। Next, like a dog with two tails. With two tails. Like a dog with two tails means to be very happy and also look very happy. That is like a dog with two tails. Okay, so कुकुर खुसी हुँदाखेरि कति पुच्छर हल्लाउँछ हैन। सो अझै दुईटा पुच्छर हल्लायो भने त धेरै खुसी भएको हो नि त हैन। To look and be very happy means like a dog with two tails. Full of the joys of spring. Full of the joys of spring. Full of the joys of spring means when you are energetic, cheerful and happy. है, अन्तिममा चाहिँ happiness सँगै जोडिने भयो। Energetic, cheerful and nonetheless happy. So full of the joys of spring भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ। Okay, next is happy as Larry. So next is happy as Larry. So happy as Larry. So no one is certain who Larry is, but it is believed that Larry refers to an Australian boxer. So Larry Foley भन्ने एउटा अस्ट्रेलियन बक्सर थिए। सो उसलाई चाहिँ ऊबाट चाहिँ आएको यो इडियम हो है। ओके, सो ह्याप्पी एज ल्यारी भनेर पढ्न सकिन्छ। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अन टप अफ द वर्ल्ड। अन टप अफ द वर्ल्ड, सो वर्ल्डको सबैभन्दा टुप्पोमा अन टप अफ द वर्ल्ड। सो when you are on the top of the world, obviously you feel wonderful, right? So yes, on the top of the world means extremely happy, extremely wonderful. Over the moon. Okay, over the moon means extremely delighted. Okay, over the moon means extremely delighted. Okay, next is in seventh heaven. In seventh heaven. Okay, in seventh heaven means bliss, extremely happiness, like it feels like you are in heaven. जस्तै तपाईले एउटा ड्रीम जब, तपाईको ड्रीम जब छ डक्टर भन्ने, त्यो तपाई हुनु भयो। सो भनेदेखि तपाईले भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ I was in seventh heaven when I landed my dream job भनेर भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ। I was in seventh heaven when I landed my dream job भनेर भन्न सक्नुभयो। Okay, next, having a whale of a time. Next is having a whale of a time. Having a whale of a time. Next is tickled pink. Hey, tickled pink. Tickled pink is also related to happiness. Okay, ल यति कुरा भयो, ठिक छ। ओके, टिकल्ड पिङ्कको एउटा इक्जाम्पल हेर्नु न, हुन्छ? ओके, टिकल्ड पिङ्क। राम इज टिकल्ड पिङ्क. He just won tickets to see One Direction. भनेर भन्न मिल्यो ठीक छ त्यो extremely happy भन्नको लागि tickled pink भनेर हामीले भन्यौ okay so these are the idioms for happiness let's revise once on cloud 9 like a dog with two tails full of the joys of spring happy as Larry on top of the world over the moon in seventh heaven having a whale of a time tickled pink okay these are the idioms for happiness so let's move to sadness okay so sad ko kura garau so blue the color blue represents sadness depression so when someone says I am feeling blue or when someone says I am having blues so to have blues to have the blues भन्नुको मतलब ब्लू ले unhappy sadness लाई जनाउँछ so I usually feel blue when I think about going back to work on Monday भनेर भन्न सकियो हैन जब म फेरि काम गर्नको लागि जाने सम्झिन्छु मन्डेमा तब म दुखी हुन्छु I feel blue तर काम त गर्नै पर्यो हैन okay next is reduce to tears reduce to tears or you can also say cry one's eye out cry one's eyes out or you can also say cry one's heart out okay I cried my eyes out when I lost my wallet I cried my eyes out when I lost my wallet भनेर भन्न सकियो okay next one is down in dumps down in the dumps down in the dumps down in the dumps or get somebody down get somebody down or a sad state of affairs a sad or a sorry state of affairs so यो भनेको के हो त so down in dumps is used to describe someone who feels sad without any hope केही hope नभइकन so if someone feels sad you say down in the dumps so get somebody down means someone is saddened or depressed by something and a sorry state of affairs or a sad state of affairs refers to a condition that is upsetting कुनै पनि upsetting condition को लागि हामीले a sad state of affairs भन्ने word use गर्छौं जस्तै एउटा रमाइलो example मैले सम्झिएँ it is a sad state of affairs when engineering students can't understand a 5th grade book let me repeat that again It is a sad state of affairs when engineering students can't understand a 5th grade book. Okay. यति कुरा भयो next अरुहरुमा है broken hearted. So broken hearted or one's heart sinks. Or a heavy heart भारी मन भनेर भनिन्छ नि हैन मैले त्यो खबर सुनेर मेरो मन कस्तो भारी भयो भनिन्छ नि हैन okay so these idioms these idioms are also used to express sadness right heavy heart broken hearted and one's heart sink okay so you can say she was broken hearted when Ram rejected her proposal भनेर भन्न सकियो ठीक छ ओके यसरी हामीले गर्न सक्यौ सेम मिनिङ आउँछ है सैडनेस डिप्रेसन कै कुराहरुलाई जोडिएको हुन्छ ओके सो fall apart भन्ने अर्को इडियम छ fall apart or fall to pieces or take something hard हैन similarly knocked sideways भनेर छ ओके So knocked sideways is the idiom that refers to something making you feel saddened or upset. केही कुराले गर्दा तपाईँ अपसेट हुनुहुन्छ भनेदेखि knocked sideways भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ. जस्तै एउटा example, her son was knocked sideways by the death of his dog. By the death of his dog भनेर भन्नु मिल्छ. ठिक छ. Okay, so these are some idioms related to sadness. भन्ने कुरा भयो. Okay, ठिक छ. Okay, another one. Pull a long face. Pull a long face. तपाईले कोहीलाई देख्नुभयो एकदमै निराश छ भनेदेखि तपाईले भन्नुहुन्छ नि तिम्रो त आज कस्तो लत्रेको जस्तो अनुहार छ भनेर. Oh, that is pull a long face भनेर भनेको है. That is also if someone is upset we say pull a long face भनेर भन्न सक्यो. ठिक छ. Okay, and next one, face like a wet weekend. Right? Another popular idiom for sadness. Face like a wet weekend. Face like a wet weekend. Or down in the mouth. Down in the mouth. Okay, so you can use this idioms. यो idioms sadness को लागि भयो. ठिक छ. Down in the mouth. So you can say she seems to be down in the mouth. Maybe she failed her exams भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ. Let me write है त. She seems to be down in the mouth. In the mouth. Maybe she failed her exams. Maybe she failed her exams. Take so okay. So these are some idioms for sadness. Okay. So face like a wet weekend go pani heru mai da. Okay. Okay, Ram, your face is like a wet weekend. What's wrong? भनेर भन्न सक्यो. Okay, so like this is a British slang. यो चाहिँ British slang हो. जुन बेला चाहिँ तपाईलाई कोही मान्छे चाहिँ if someone is sad उसलाई चाहिँ अलिकति cheer गर्नु पर्यो, उसलाई अलिकति relax गराउनु पर्यो भनेदेखि we can say face like a wet weekend भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ. ठीक छ ल. Okay, so let's read. I will read. यसलाई थोरै सम्झिने प्रयास गर्नुस् है त. Feel blue. Blue ले जहिले पनि sadness लाई जनाउँछ. Blue color ले. Feel blue, to have the blues. Reduce to tears. Cry one's eye out or cry one's heart out. Down in the dumps. Get somebody down. A sad state of affairs. A sorry state of affairs. Broken hearted. One's heart sinks. A heavy heart. Fall apart. Fall to pieces. Take something hard. Knocked sideways. Pull a long face. Face like a wet weekend. Down in the mouth. ठीक छ. यो इडियमहरु भयो. यसलाई राम्रोसँग हेर्नुलाई अब तपाईले चाहिँ सम्झिनु पर्यो. Face like a wet weekend भन्ने बित्तिकै के त यो चाहिँ sadness सँग रिलेटेड छ. Down in the dumps भन्ने बित्तिकै sadness सँग रिलेटेड छ. यसलाई तपाईले सेन्टेन्समा प्रयोग गर्न नआए पनि तपाईले चाहिँ ओके यो इडियमले चाहिँ sadness लाई रिफर गर्छ है भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ थाहा पाउनु पर्छ. ठीक छ ल. यो कुराहरु भयो. So these are the idioms for sadness and happiness. So okay, so this much for this video. र हामीले सबै भिडियोहरु बनाएर YouTube मा हालेका छौं. तपाईले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ सबै भिडियो है त. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Keep learning. 𝘊𝗇𝗃. Peace.